Solving absolute value equations. Some terms you will need to know is absolute value is the distance the number is from zero. Inequalities is like an equation that uses symbols for less than and greater than, whereas an equation uses symbol for equal to. Satisfy means showing that substituting one or more variables into an equation or an inequality works out. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers used to locate a point on a coordinate plane. The first number shows the horizontal position, or the x value, and the second number shows the vertical position, the y value. How to solve absolute value equations. The problem is -7, the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 0. Step 1, take whatever is outside the absolute value sign and solve for that. In this case, you have to divide by -7. And you get 2x minus 1 equals 0. Step 2, take the absolute value signs out and solve the equations. 2x minus 1 equals 0. Add the 1 to both sides, and you get 2x equals 1. Divide by 2, and x equals 1/2. And that's your answer. You can have more than one answer to an absolute value problem. The question is, 10 minus 4, the absolute value of 3x plus 2 equals 0. Step 1, follow the same steps as solving one-answer equations. Subtract by 10, and you get -4, the absolute value of 3x plus 2 equals -10. Divide by -4, and you get the absolute value of 3x plus 2 equals -5/2. Step 2, because the answer to the equation is not 0, we have to break it apart, and on one side of the problems you have to switch the sign on the right side of the equation. Step 3, follow the basic steps of solving an equation. So you get 3x plus 2 equals 5/2. Then you're going to subtract the 2, and you get 3x equals 1/2. You're going to divide by the 3, and you get x equals 1/6. On the other side of the equation, you have 3x plus 2 equals -5/2. You're going to subtract by 2, and you get 3x equals 9/2. Divide by the 3, and you get -9/6. Then reduce the fraction, and you get -3/2. Now that we know how to do equations, we can do inequalities. So your problem is the absolute value of 22 minus 4 minus 3x is less than 30. Step 1. Solve the inequality like a normal equation, but with switching to a negative on one side, and you also have to change the sign. So you're going to distribute the -1, and you get 22 minus 4 plus 3x is less than 30. Then you're going to subtract 4 from 22, and you get 18 plus 3x is less than 30. Then you break it apart, and you get 18 plus 3x is less than 30. And on the other side, you get 18 plus 3x is greater than -30. So you have to change this inequality sign on one side. So then we're going to subtract by 18, and you get 3x is less than 12, and then you divide by 3, and you get x is less than 4. On the other side, you subtract by 18, and you get 3x is greater than -48, and then divide by 3, and you get x is greater than -16. Now that we can solve inequalities, we can graph them too. So say you get the answer of x is less than 5 and x is greater than -10. So step 1, take the answer to the problem and graph it on the number line with either an open circle or a closed circle depending on the sign in the problem. So we're going to put an open circle on -10 and +5. Step 2. Draw the arrow whichever way the inequality sign is pointing. So since the inequality sign is less than 5, it's going to go towards the left. And since the inequality sign is greater than -10, it's going to go towards the right.